So here's how to get a free ChatGPT Pro, free Grok, free Claude, free Gemini, and multiple other AI tools completely for free. Their Pro version, the Pro plans. This is how you can get it a legit way. Just go to Google, type in Perplexity and PayPal, click on that, and then click on this first link. Once you click that, you're going to see this page, and this page, just click on this button, 12 months of Perplexity Pro, and you're going to get Perplexity Pro completely for free. And inside of Perplexity Pro, you can change the different AI models and change to ChatGPT, to Gemini, to Grok, to whatever, right? You can change to these few different Pro models that you get inside of Perplexity Pro. This is completely for free. This is a legit way. They are partnering with PayPal, so they are offering this 12 months for free. You can, once you subscribe, you're just going to need a PayPal account. Inside of the PayPal, you will need to have a valid credit card, or you're going to need a little bit of money inside the PayPal account. They're not going to use you or charge you anything. They just needed to verify your account. Once you logged in into your Perplexity Pro account, you're going to go to settings under the account, and you're going to see your account name, your email, your whatever, and underneath you're going to see change plan. Just click on that, and it's going to basically give you option to cancel the plan. After you cancel the plan, you're going to still have these 12 months for free until that expires. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow.